Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a can of compressed air. These will be essential for safely opening your Asus GX703H and performing any necessary maintenance. First, power off your device and unplug it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial for your safety and the protection of the laptop during the disassembly process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your Asus GX703H. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove all screws, taking care to keep them organized. It's helpful to use a magnetic mat or small container to avoid losing any screws. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Start from one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. Now that you have access to the internal components, it's a good time to clean out any dust that may have accumulated inside. Using the can of compressed air, carefully blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal cooling performance. If you notice any loose connections or if the laptop is not powering on, it may require additional troubleshooting. At this point, if you feel uncomfortable proceeding, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. It's a great way to ensure your laptop is handled by experts. Now, inspect the RAM and SSD connections. Ensure they are seated properly. If you're upgrading or replacing components, remember that you can always request a quote before repair, giving you peace of mind about costs. Once you are done with cleaning and checking the internal components, carefully reattach the back panel. Make sure all clips are secured and replace the screws in the same order you removed them. This will ensure that everything is tight and secure. After reassembling, power on your Asus GX703H. Check if everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, it may be time to consider additional help. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier than ever to receive professional service without the hassle of travel. To conclude, understanding your Asus GX703H warranty and performing regular maintenance can greatly extend the lifespan of your device. If you prefer a hands-off approach, keep in mind that we offer no calls, no travel services to assist you. Your convenience is our priority. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.